Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today I have a Trader Joe's little haul, and then I have a Lidl haul. We have a new Lidl in Cary, and Trader Joe's is in Cary and Cottrell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Hope, and I have 3 boys ages 20, 14, and 5. And so my oldest is in college. Today is November the 25th or 6th, the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. And so of course they're getting out of school for college. So we picked them up at the train station. And anyway, so I knew I was going to go to Trader Joe's to pick up some things that we love. And then I wanted to go to Lidl because I wanted to pick up mainly these little play sets for Josiah for Christmas. So let's get started with this haul. Okay, from Trader Joe's, I picked up the oatmeal exfoliant bar. I love this bar. I only picked up one of these. It's $2.99. And then Jason went with me. we went in and he said, "Is this it?" And I was like, "Yeah." So he picked up the Honey Crisp apples. He got missing for a second. I was like, "How much is that?" Because, you know, Trader Joe's stuff is a little bit higher. And he got 2 bags of those. And I don't know if they had them in Lidl or not. I didn't look to see. The Trader Joe's Ridge potato chips, salt and pepper. And there probably maybe was something else on my list that was in my phone, but I left my phone at home and I was so lost without it. Okay, so most of these things, y'all, I got before, other than one thing or 2 things. Well, no, a couple things. So the chicken chow mein, I like this. And this is the 2nd time getting this, and I really like this. And then I haven't tried the spicy Thai shrimp fried rice. I don't remember seeing this before, but maybe we went on a weekday today, so maybe it was so low that I just didn't see it. I, of course, wanted the main thing, one of the main things was the bacon cheddar ranch dip. I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. They are more than what I want to pay for. They're $2.99. And then the coconut shrimp, I like this. I got this the other day thinking that this was the same shrimp that Michelle got. Her Instagram is Pretty Mickey 46. I believe that's the last number. But she gets the tempura shrimp, and I might try that next time. I'm just too cheap to pay $7.99 for 3 pieces of shrimp. But it looks so good. But I'm gonna try it next time. But this is $4.99. The coconut shrimp is really good with their tartar sauce. And then I put it in the air fryer. And then the red pepper cayenne pepper, I went ahead. It's $1.99. Picked this up because I think I need it. I'm going off of memory. We're going to fry our turkey. And I'm going off of memory. And I believe I need cayenne pepper. And I didn't have any cayenne pepper. Some sea salt crystals. I was watching, I don't know, Clio TV. It's kind of like TV1, BET, or it was a cooking chant segment on there, and they were talking about different types of salt. And I do have sea salt from Dollar Tree, and Mama said that one is good, but I just wanted that. And they were just talking about the different ways to cook with different types of salt and how you would cook with them and stuff like that. So that's the only reason why I picked it up. The chicken fried rice and how they made salt and where it came from. It was just like I was just tired of watching on TV the same stuff, so I wanted to watch something different. I picked up the chicken fried rice, one of those, and then the vegetable fried rice. The vegetable fried rice is $2.49, and then the chicken fried rice is $2.99. The sea salt crystals was $1.99. The mandarin orange chicken, Jason went ahead and picked. We have 2 bags from last time still, but he picked this up. This was $4.99 for each one. So that is it that we picked up from Trader Joe's. I think it was like $50. But yeah. Okay guys, so the next part of the haul is from Lidl. And again, we have a new Lidl, and it's not that far. So I probably will go there. I know they're going to get one a little bit closer in Apex, but it's not until next year. So let's see. I have my receipt here so I can tell you guys the prices. But I went in there to get these little train sets. So I saw on their app, and I like on their app that they have like rewards. They also have coupons versus, you know, Aldi don't necessarily have coupons unless, you know, something's going on. So anyway, I picked this particular train set out for Josiah. And it has 60 pieces, and I guess the little train cars move too, because it has like some batteries and they're included. And let's see, this is what it looks like on the back. And they had, I want to say 3 or 4 other ones too. One was really stocked. I think it was a Highway or something. I'm hoping they'll still have it. And then they had like a $30 one. That was the only one that was $30. And then they had some that were just like $12.99. They were like maybe a little like what was it? A little auto repair and a little wash car station or whatever. But anyway, this is the other one. It has 70 pieces, and this one was $19 as well. So I have to remember, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up because yeah, they have all these different ones, and I noticed it when I went to Lidl before. So they have like a supermarket. He'll love this. A house, a farm, a parking lot. I ain't even noticed this in the store because I was just trying to figure out which one he would want. All these little emergency ambulance things, they had those too. And I did pick him up one of them. I picked him up the service vehicle playset, and this was $4.99. They had other ones too, like construction. I think they had a police rescue set, a fire one. Those were $5.99. A camping set, that one was $4.99. But anyway, you guys get the point. Okay guys, so I didn't get much groceries out of there, and yeah, because I didn't have a list, and I mainly was going in there for that and the peanut oil because it was super duper cheap. So the center cut bacon was $3.49, about the same price as Aldi. I did notice that some of the prices to me still seem like, I don't know if things are just going up with inflation, but I know the other Lidl is in Sanford and the cost of living is a little bit lower. And Cary, those that are in the area know, you know, Cary or Raleigh or certain areas, their stuff is a little bit higher. I can go to one Walmart in our town and it's cheaper. Go to the next Walmart and it's like the milk is, well, it could be $1.89 because they're competing with Aldi. And then I'll go to the next town and the milk is like $2.49. So anyway, I got some bananas because I'm going to make banana pudding. And then I got some of their bread, even though I just got some from Walmart because their bread is really good and it's 85 cents. It's more denser. And then their eggs are the same price. I did just pick up some eggs, but I wanted to make sure I had enough because I'm going to make devil eggs. So these were 58 cents. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. And I've been getting it this way lately instead of the whole pack of cheese in a block. Let's see, this was $1.79. The grapes were kind of pricey because at Aldi usually I notice they alternate. Some weeks the green grapes are 89 or yeah, 89 cents a pound and 99 cents a pound. These were $1.89 a pound, so it was a total of like $4 and something. Yeah, $4.46. And then I got, you know, if you go in Lidl, they have a fresh bakery section. So I got some donuts and an apple fritter in here. And sometimes it depends on how many you're getting. You can get more of a discount. So I don't remember. They're like 49 cents and 52 cents. The apple fritter was 79 cents. I think it would have been cheaper if I got 2. But I won't even paying attention. Lastly, because we're frying our turkey, I needed some peanut oil. And when I saw that I was going in there anyway for Josiah's stuff, I was like, that's perfect. I hope they have some peanut oil. This was only $6.99. So at Aldi is a great price. It's $9.99. And at Walmart, if you go to Walmart, I want to say this size may be 12 to 15. And if you get the great big thing, it's like $30. The 3-gallon thing. At Aldi, it's $21 or $20. So this is $6.99 at Lidl. And I probably need it because of this air fryer is a little, not air fryer. This turkey fryer steamer boil thing is a little bit bigger than the one I had before. It did say 3 gallons, but that's why I've got the canola oil. I don't care. I'm gonna mix it. I should have got 3 of them, but I don't know. I just spent enough. So this was like $3.05 for the canola oil, and this is a gallon as well. But I may only need 2 gallons because my turkeys are not that huge. They're not really big. Lastly, I have stuff everywhere, y'all, because I'm putting on my Christmas decorations. Lastly, I went in Target, and I was glad to get this. This was on my wish list. If I found it, I just found it. So I wasn't gonna worry about if I didn't or not. These are $5, these little Santa boots, and they're so cute. And I was like, oh, I found them. And I won't even looking for them. I was going in there to pick up my stool. That I guess I'll show you guys that too. My stool, because I left my phone at home and I couldn't. I did the Target drive up order thing. And then I also saw this in Erin's haul. I did see this in Erin's video. Her channel is Oh My Goals. I'll make sure I caption it below because I may be saying it wrong. So I did see the holiday budget planner. This was something that was on my wish list too, that I saw everyone hauling. What am I doing? Too much stuff up here. So I thought it'd be neat, and I was like, oh, are you gonna use that? But it was $3. And then I remember when Erin said in her video that has a guest list, it'll be good to, like, you know, keep, and you can refer back to it because you have so many different pages. And that is so true, because sometimes you're like, okay, what did I cook? Like, I don't even remember what I did last year, but I know my Thanksgiving menu was like easy, or not totally easy, but I try to do it effortlessly. And I know I can watch my videos, but I just sometimes don't like to hear my own voice. So these are $3, and this one is holiday menu planner, and then this one is a recipe book. Let's see, try to do this with one hand. A bacon list. I think it has a grocery list in the back. And these are plenty stock. They had also several of these. The grocery list. So that'll be good to keep that to reference back to. And lastly, I ordered the Target drive up. I haven't used a drive up before, but I have did the order pickup before. So this is the Threshold, let's see, Halifax counter stool, and I was hoping it already be together, but it's probably easy to put together. I had a Target stool that was similar to this, but it was more of a square at the top. I had for many years, and then it started rocking, and then it finally broke. So I had it for a long time, and I actually been without a stool for a long time. So growing up, my mom and my grandma and them, they always had a stool in the kitchen to cook if they were in there for a long time. So my feet have been bothering me a lot lately, so I just had to go ahead and get one because, yeah, I need one. But anyway, that is all, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.